Hi everyone, welcome back to the Code Street. This is Siddhant, and in this video we will try to learn yet another technique of searching the elements inside an array. So in the last video we tried to learn a linear search, and I hope that the method of sequential searching was pretty clear to you all of you. And इस video में we will try to learn binary search technique, which is yet another way of finding the elements inside an array. It is again a very pretty simple problem to understand, and I hope that you guys will follow it. And अगर कोई problem हुई while listening of this lecture, and in the description तो comment section में ज़रूर mention करना, and I will be more than happy to solve it. And yeah, if you like the explanation in the video, please do share this video among your peers and friends and in your groups as well, so that it reaches a wider audience and all of us can learn together. So yeah, on this note, let us begin with the video. But first let us try to understand a bit more about Newton School, जिनके साथ ही video collaboration में बनी है. So Newton School is an edtech platform which guarantees you 100% placement, but they won't be charging you any fee until and unless you get placed with a minimum package of around 5 lakh per annum. So Newton School is doing this in tie-up with a lot of really great companies, some of which can be easily found out on their platform, that is newtonschool.co. And Newton School offers a great variety of courses, which are ranging from full stack development courses to courses specially curated for women. Even there are courses which are designed for working professionals as well. And in the recent times, what has happened is Newton School has started the Launchpad program, under which they are offering a number of really great courses, that too entirely for free. So if you are a completely newbie who wants to learn a programming language, or someone who wants to learn a particular tech stack like Node.js, AngularJS, and database management and SQL, all these things are now available completely for free and are taught by really great instructors. And upon completion of the course, you will also be getting a course completion certificate as well. So do visit their platform, that is newtonschool.co. Visit the Launchpad tab, explore all these courses, and get started. And in the midst of all these, if you also feel the need to code, or if you feel the need to do anything related to coding, so you can also go to Newton School's personal algorithm, that is Launchpad platform. You can register yourself, your name, and then you can start off with the personal algorithm playground. You can create your own playground, and then you can start off the coding related object as well, as we have done in the previous videos too. So that was it about Newton School. Now coming back to today's video. तो आज के वीडियो में we will be discussing about binary search technique and how do we go about solving the problem. How is it different from linear sequential search, and what it actually is. So let us begin with the video. Alright, so binary search. हम binary search के बारे में जब भी बात कर रहे हैं ना, so there are a few things that we have to keep in mind when we are talking about binary search, and that is probably the thing which kind of differentiates it from linear and sequential search. The first thing, that is binary search is okay for sorted array. Next thing is binary search is okay for sorted array. That is, only if there is sorted can we use binary search. That is the first thing that we have to keep in mind. Second thing, it is a kind of divide and conquer. Divide and conquer methodology. It is methodology. तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है, बाइनरी सर्च इज अ काइंड ऑफ डिवाइड एंड कॉन्कर मेथोडोलॉजी. तो इसमें क्या होता है, व्हाट वी डू इज, एन एग्जिस्टिंग अरे इज देयर, फॉर एग्जांपल देयर इज एन एग्जिस्टिंग अरे ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. वी डू इज वी डिवाइड इट इनटू two different arrays, okay, and then search for the element. This is something which happens, okay. Alright, so how does it happen, अब वो देखते हैं, ठीक है. try to understand this very carefully. Suppose this is an array which is given. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 10 elements in this array. Okay, so the first job that we have to do is we have to find and suppose the key element that we have to find, say the key element that we have to find is 16. We have to find 16 in this array. Okay, so the first job that we have to do here is find out the mid of this array. Okay, so what will be the mid of this array? 10 divided by 2 is 5. So in the middle position 1 0 1 2 3, sorry, 1 2 3 4, the fifth element here. Alright, and then 13 16 17 18 19 20. So then the mid element, as soon as the mid element is found out, we will compare this key element with this mid element. If this key is greater, it means that all the elements including this one and before this one will be cancelled off. Okay, if this is lesser, if this element is lesser than this key element, तो ये सब cancel हो जाएंगे, and the new array will be 13 16 17 18 20. Again we will find out the mid element in this one, so which is 70. Now what happens is we will compare it with the key. अब जो सेकेंड केस हो सकता है वो पता चलेगा. ठीक है, उसमें क्या है कि if 16 and 17 are compared and 17 is greater than 16, it means that all the element including 17 will be cancelled off on the right since they are greater. समझे? So now the new array will become 13 and 16. Okay, तो अभी 13 and 16 हो गया है, तो mid will be by 2, which means 1. So this will be, again it will be compared and it will be found out that this is mid is equals to key, and this will be returned that the element is present at this location, whatever is the location. For example, if it is 5 and 6 here, so it will be returned that this is the location, 6 is the key. ओके, तो ऐसे होएगा. तो अपना जो प्रोग्राम होता है ना, उसको हम लोग कैसे लिखेंगे यहाँ पे? लेट अस ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ विल वी बी राइटिंग द प्रोग्राम इन दिस केस. सी, int binary search int array, alright, int n and int key. These three things will be there. Alright, the first thing that I have to do is I have to initialize that the starting array is 0, starting index is 0, the ending index is equals to n minus 1. ठीक है, next what I have to do is जब तक ये लूप चल रही है ना, int mid is equals to start plus n by 2 each time. That is what I will be doing, start plus n by 2. Next what I will be doing is I will be comparing if my array of mid, that is the element in the middle, is equals to key or not. If it is, then I will be returning the location, I will be returning the mid. Alright, if it is not, else if a of mid is greater than key, so what we will be doing is अगर ग्रेटर देन की हो जाता है, की से बड़ा हो जाता है वो, तो व्हाट वी विल बी डूइंग इज, वो जो एक्सट्रीम पॉइंट है ना, व्हाट वी विल डिस्कस, व्हाट हैव वी डिस्कस्ड हियर, if it becomes greater then we cancel all the elements on the right hand side, and ये जो ending point होती है ना, उसको हम ले आते हैं mid plus 1 पे. So if it is so, then ending point becomes mid plus 1. Alright. Else if it is lesser than, तो क्या हो जाती है, starting point becomes equals to, sorry, ending becomes equals to mid minus 1, and the starting point else will becomes mid plus 1. अंडरस्टूड? समझ में आ रही है बात कैसे? ये देखो, जैसे ग्रेटर देन में बता रहा हूँ मैं, यहाँ पे मिड निकला था ये, ठीक है, तो चूंकि ये ग्रेटर वन है, ग्रेटर देन है 16 से, तो ये इंक्लूड करके ये साइड पूरा कैंसिल हो गया, तो जो एंडिंग पॉइंट है वो क्या हो गया, मिड जो था उससे -1, दैट इज दिस वन, है ना. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे 9 स्मॉलर था तो ये सब कैंसिल कर दिया, तो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट क्या बन जाएगा, मिड जो कि ये था +1, यानी नया मिड है. ठीक है, प्रिटी सिंपल, वेरी सिंपल, बहुत सिंपल है. एल्स ये होएगा, उसके बाद ये खत्म, फॉर लूप खत्म, and if none of the conditions do satisfy, then of course we will return -1. सिंपल है. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स ये हो गया हमारा मेन फंक्शन बाइनरी सर्च का. तो अब हम इसके बाद जा सकते हैं मेन फंक्शन में. मेन फंक्शन में हम जाएंगे, मेन फंक्शन में जाके वी विल बी, you know how to accept the array, you know how to accept the array, which is int n cin of n int key cin of key that we have to find, then we have to declare the array int a of n भी लिख सकते हो, a of 1000 मैं लिख रहा हूँ कि 1000 एलिमेंट की एक array है, suppose there is, and then for int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, cout, I'm extremely sorry, first we have to include the array, right, cin a of I, yeah, then cout binary search. बाइनरी सर्च में फिर क्या क्या पास करना होगा, एरे, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स एंड की एज पैरामीटर्स पास करना होगा. ठीक है, दैट इज इट. जस्ट अ सेकंड, इसको नीचे करना होगा. दैट इज इट फॉर अस. One thing which you can do is that instead of doing this, one thing which you can do is कि ये पूरा प्रोसेस कब तक चलेगा, ये प्रोसेस तब तक चलेगा जब तक हमारा जो स्टार्ट है ना, that is less than equals to e. Okay, unless and until our starting is less than equals to the index of the ending, then तब तक ये चलता रहेगा पूरा. ठीक है, ये प्रोसेस, that will be a much better way to implement it, right? So this is how binary search is done, and the time complexity for this is O of log n. Now what exactly is time complexity, ये तुम्हें कुछ lectures बाद हम जब time complexity, space complexity discuss करेंगे, then we will be talking about it. In the meantime, you just remember that this is the time complexity for this one, O of log n, and that will be enough for us for now. So O of log n is the time complexity for binary search, And yeah, that is the code for binary search. I did not do it on the algorithm because I don't know why the algorithmic platform is not getting created and it is not accepting the login details as of now. तो मैंने यहाँ पे दिखा दिया. This is the entire code for it and main function के साथ. Of course, the only thing that is left is the header files and using namespace std. And yeah, I hope that you did not have any difficulty understanding binary search. It is actually a way of searching the elements inside the array in case the array is sorted. Suppose you don't get a sorted array, what you have to do is you can either sort it and then proceed with this element, this way of searching, or you can do the selection search method. There is no linear or selection search. It is also called selection search, the linear search method. So there is no stopping कि linear search हम नहीं कर सकते. If it is unsorted, you can do it via linear searching method, as well as you can sort the array and then do the bubble searching method as binary searching method as well, not bubble searching, binary searching method as well. So that is it. I don't think that binary searching में कोई difficulty हो रही होगी और समझने में. And as for now, I think that this lecture is over, and in the next one we will be trying to understand some sorting methods. Like we will be covering selection sort, next then after that bubble sort, फिर insertion sort, and after today's video there is one assignment that I would like to give you, and that assignment is quite simple one. Very simple assignment. Find maximum and minimum element in an array. That is one of the assignments that I would like to give you. Do this assignment, and if you face any difficulty in this video or in doing of this assignment, please do mention it in the comment section below, and do like, share and subscribe this video until and unless इस वीडियो की रीच पढ़ेगी नहीं वरना. ठीक है. So until we meet in the next video, goodbye, take care, and don't stop coding. Bye bye.